Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is NATO weighs joint purchase of Saab GlobalEye aircraft to replace aging E-3 Sentry early warning fleet. NATO member states are considering the joint acquisition of Saab GlobalEye airborne early warning and control aircraft, according to German media citing unofficial sources. Political decisions related to the potential procurement are expected during a NATO summit scheduled for July in Turkey. The reported plan involves the purchase of 12 aircraft to replace the current Boeing E-3 Sentry fleet. These aircraft are operated by NATO's multinational airborne early warning and control force, based in Gelsenkirchen, Germany. Efforts to identify a successor platform began in November 2025. At that time, NATO withdrew from a planned acquisition of 6 Boeing E-7A Wedgetail aircraft due to concerns over potential program disruption in the United States. If confirmed, the joint purchase of Saab GlobalEye aircraft would represent a significant outcome for Sweden and the manufacturer. To date, 5 systems have been delivered to the United Arab Emirates, while further orders are in progress for Sweden and France. The GlobalEye system includes a radar capable of detecting and tracking targets at distances of up to 650 kilometers. It can also be equipped with an electro-optical sensor and a maritime surveillance radar. The system is mounted on either the Bombardier Global 6000 or Global 6500 aircraft. Both platforms offer an endurance of around 11 hours, although they do not currently support aerial refueling. NATO's current fleet comprises 14 E-3 Sentry aircraft. 4 additional aircraft have been withdrawn from service and are used as a source of spare parts. These aircraft continue to carry out patrol missions, particularly along NATO's eastern flank. Operations include flights over Polish airspace and long-range reconnaissance of areas near Belarus and Ukraine. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.